listened all along the stories in the tabloids and wondered whether the claims about Oliver being so different physically were true. I could see him; it was immediately apparent.
In the 1980s, Oliver disappeared from public view.
Were true. I could see him; it was immediately apparent.
$8,000 by a US attorney who showed him off to the world's press at a gala dinner.